Okay, so yesterday I got this in the mail, but I decided to unbox this so everyone can see what I've got. It's the Maslow CNC, and it looks like it came from Portland. I guess that's where their main base is. And I'll be using this 101 buck knife, or I'm sorry, the 1020. Is that what that is? And we're just going to open up. It came packaged pretty nice, pretty sealed on all the corners. I do hear something kind of jiggling around, so it's not packed with a bunch of styrofoam, or peanuts or whatever, but I don't know what's in there. Let's find out. Okay. Well, let's see what's in here. So instead of using packing peanuts, they use this kind of paper that has all these thousands of little cuts to make it puffy. This here's some brackets, looks like. Oh yeah. Brackets. I'll be needing those. Let's see what else we got. Oh yeah, more brackets. You can't ever have too many brackets. Unless you have too many brackets, then it's no good. Nice. It's nicely, they seem to be nicely powder coated. It's quality. Solid pieces. It looks good. And for the low cost, I'm actually kind of surprised. Here we have the chain, 2 pieces of chain for each of the motors. We have here oh yeah, the Z-axis motor, which comes along with this little coupling here, and that's so I can attach this to the router and adjust the height, the Z height. We have the cables are nicely contained in what appears to be some kind of nylon cloth or something. You can see it's been heat shrunk to the end of the connectors. Here's my connectors. Here's a nice long USB cable to connect to my Arduino. Oh. So here's my Maslow instructions. Thank you for purchasing Maslow CNC machine kit. This document includes instructions on where to find assembly, setup instructions, list of parts you should have in your box, instructions and warnings for use of your Maslow CNC, and a template for a temporary sled. So let's see. Oh, here's the template for the temporary sled to build. Great. And here's the it looks like they sent me a Mega 256 R3. The Arduino Mega is different than the Arduino Uno. Oh, yeah. My grandson, he wants to know what I'm doing. We're going to be building this Arduino, or this Maslow together. I just have Arduino on the mind. Let me see. Arduino Mega. Oh, yeah. Look at that. Whoever did this put some nice colors on there. That's cool. And then, of course, here's the driver for the motors. This will just plug right in to my Arduino. Some more hardware package. Oh, and look, nice little Allen wrench. That's always helpful, just in case I didn't have one. Sprockets. Sprockets to go on the motors. And we have the stretchy cord, which is important to help draw the chain back. Oh, and look at these very nice gearhead motors. Yeah, gearhead DC motor. This is pretty substantial looking, if you ask me. Yeah, has some nice weight to it, and you can see the little mounting holes here. I don't know if it'll really focus any kind of good. There you go. Yeah, threaded mounting holes. We've got the little standoff for the chain, so it has something to rub against. Nice plastic. Yeah, I think I'm going to be spending quite some time on this little hobby of mine here. My new little hobby of building a Maslow CNC. And we'll see how it comes out. All kinds of miscellaneous hardware in here. I can see why they had to get a contract company to make sure everything was packed. There are a lot of parts in here. What's this? What's this? A Maslow sticker. Well, that's cool. So I can stick it to something great. What's in this box? Oh, power supply. Excellent. Yeah. So here we have the power supply for the Arduino, and the motors are actually driven from the board, and that's where they get their power from. More brackets. These brackets are definitely secure. No scratches whatsoever. There was so much packing material. These came out powder coated. They're nice, packaged securely. The only little bit of foam that was in this was this, and it's not styrofoam. It's like that, more of a sponge type plastic, really, which I think is better than styrofoam. I don't know why, but I do. Anyway, that's the unboxing of my Maslow. It appears that everything is here that I will need, minus the plywood and the 2x4s, which is kind of the whole point. You just want the guts of the thing, and the frame I can build myself. So I hope you enjoyed my unboxing video. In my next Maslow video, I'll be assembling the temporary frame and getting everything set up, I guess. Actually, the electronics I'll be setting up. Anyway, I hope you enjoyed the video, and stay tuned for more attempts at this build.